René Descartes, born in 1596 in France, is often called the father of modern philosophy. His work laid the groundwork for much of Western philosophy that followed. Let's delve deeper into his story and his famous discovery, I think, therefore I am. Descartes was educated at the Jesuit College of La Flèche, where he received a rigorous education in mathematics, philosophy, and classical studies. Even from a young age, he was known for his exceptional intellect and insatiable curiosity about the natural world and the human mind. After completing his education, Descartes embarked on a journey across Europe. He joined the Dutch and Bavarian military, not only out of duty but also to satisfy his thirst for knowledge by engaging with intellectuals across the continent. His travels exposed him to diverse ideas and philosophies, shaping his own thoughts on existence and reality. During these discussions, Descartes became increasingly troubled by a fundamental question: how can we be certain of anything? He observed that different cultures and individuals held vastly different beliefs about truth and reality. This led him to develop a method of radical doubt, a systematic approach to questioning the reliability of everything he had been taught. Descartes began his philosophical inquiry by challenging the trustworthiness of his senses. He recognized that his senses could deceive him. For instance, he pondered whether the sun appeared smaller on the horizon due to its actual size, or if it was merely an illusion caused by the atmosphere. Descartes was particularly intrigued by dreams. He noticed that during dreams, the experiences felt just as real as waking life. He wondered, how can I be certain that I am not dreaming right now? What if my entire existence, my perceptions, and my surroundings are all part of an elaborate dream? This contemplation deeply troubled him. In the quiet solitude of his room, Descartes extended his skepticism further. He entertained the notion that an all-powerful, evil demon could be deceiving him, manipulating his thoughts and perceptions to create a false reality. This hypothetical scenario pushed Descartes to confront the possibility that his understanding of the world might be entirely mistaken. Amidst these profound doubts, Descartes experienced a pivotal insight. He realized that even if an evil demon were deceiving him, there was one undeniable truth: the act of doubting itself. Cogito, ergo sum, he concluded, I think, therefore I am. This foundational insight provided Descartes with a rock-solid certainty: his existence as a thinking being. With cogito, ergo sum, Descartes established a new basis for knowledge and understanding. He argued that the certainty of his own existence as a thinking being was the first principle upon which all other knowledge could be built. This philosophy laid the groundwork for his later explorations in mathematics, science, and metaphysics. Descartes' emphasis on clear and logical thinking has had a lasting impact. His method of radical doubt and systematic inquiry continues to influence how we approach knowledge and truth in modern philosophy. By learning from René Descartes, we gain insights into the importance of critical thinking and skepticism. His journey teaches us that even in uncertainty, our ability to think and reason is a fundamental aspect of our existence. As we reflect on Descartes' profound questions about reality and existence, here's a thought to ponder. How can we distinguish between what is real and what is merely perceived? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more philosophical insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and mind of René Descartes. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep riding the waves of philosophy.